the first $1 billion meme coin on Ton chain. In this video, I will show you the first meme coin on Ton chain that will reach $1 billion and why you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss this life changing opportunity, and I'll also show you how to buy it. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and share with your community, and let's get started. Now the first thing we need to look at is to look at the top meme coins or market cap, and also to look at dog team narrative, meme coin narrative, and we'll link it up to the project I'm talking about. Okay, now you can see the project meme coin project on the market cap. You can see the market cap. You can see 17 billion, 10 billion, 4 billion, okay, 1.7 billion, 1.6 billion, Flocky, and the rest of them, and so on and so forth. Now, this is massive. Let's now look at specific projects. Now, look at this project, Dog with Heart or WIF. WIF market cap is currently sitting at $1.7 billion. Okay, and okay, so the first project we'll consider is Dog with Heart or WIF. Now you can see the market cap is currently at 1.7 billion, and okay, but let's look at the all-time market cap for this project. The all-time market cap is around 4.2 billion. Now this project is on Solana chain. Okay, so just pay attention, and you will discover that there's a trend between all these projects I'm showing you. Now the second project is Bonk, and the current market cap is 1.6. Now the all-time market cap for Bonk, the all-time market cap for Bonk should be around 2.2 billion or so, and it is on Solana chain. You can see it's on Solana chain. So the third meme coin that is of interest, the coin is Brett. Brett is a meme coin, leading meme coin on the base chain, and the coin market cap is at 1.2 billion. Now let's look at the all-time market cap for Bonk. All-time market cap is around $1.8 billion. Okay, so let's look at projects in other cycles. Now this is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu all-time market cap was around $32 billion, and it's currently sitting at $10 billion. Okay, now what is the one thing that is common to this project? The one thing that is common to this project, okay, is that they are dog narrative meme coins. So these meme coins are dog narrative. Okay, and they all follow Dogecoin. Okay, and they all have logo dog team logo. Okay, so here is the project on Ton chain that I believe will be the first $1 billion project, and I'm excited to present to you Resistant Dog, in short, Redo. Okay, now Redo is a very good project, and it has a lot of upside potential. The current market cap is 74 million dollars. Guys, this is massive. This is a massive opportunity. Okay, at $1 billion, it will give us around 10x. Okay, around 10x, and this is a massive opportunity if you position yourself now, and if you do it early. All right. So now, what are the triggers? What are the catalysts that will make Resistant Dog to be the first meme coin on Ton chain to reach $1 billion? Okay, so the first thing to know is that it is a dog narrative meme coin, and it's also a leading meme coin on the Ton chain. Like you saw Brett on base chain, it has surpassed $1 billion. You saw Dogecoin, Dog with Heart, which is WIF, that's exceeded $2 billion. Okay, these are leading dog team or dog narrative meme coin on this chain. The same we apply, as they say, history does not repeat itself, but it tends to rhymes. I believe that the same will happen for Ton chain. Now the second reason is that a homepage to the creation of Pavel Drubel, founder of Ton network, Resistant Dog, is a symbolic representation of our fight against. So now the dog we are talking about here is the founder of Telegram and Tonchain Dog. Okay, this is also very bullish. And the third reason is that Telegram has 900 million users, and these users, as they are getting onboarded to Tonchain, next meme coin project that they will consider to buy will definitely be Edo. The next reason is that okay, most of the is Telegram airdrop, Telegram airdrop, tap to earn project. Most of the people that will make money, that will make profit here, they will convert part of their profit in buying the leading meme coin, which is Redo. Okay, so with this reason, I believe this project, Redo will surpass 1 billion, be the first project to hit to reach $1 billion. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe, and share with others. Do you have any other project, meme coin project on Tonchain that you believe we reach $1 billion? If you have, comment it below and I will make a video about it. Now the next question is, how do we buy this? Okay, so to buy this, you use a platform, a DEX called Stonfi. Stonfi is app.stone.fi, and then the second step is to go to the CoinGecko Coin Market Cap page and copy the contact address. Then after that, go to Stonfi, and you are swapping from Ton. That means you have Ton here, and you are swapping it to Redo. So you click. Let's say we don't have Redo here, okay, and nothing is here. Okay, so we are swapping from Ton. Then we click on this. We are receiving. Then we paste the contact address. Then we bring Redo. Now let's say we are buying 1,000 units to give us 101 2,000 units of Redo. Now this you keep it until the project realize this gain or this growth that I'm talking about. All right, then once we have imputed the amount, then you click on swap. Let me use this for an example. Let's say 0.1. I want to buy 0.1 to bring up this. Okay, then I'll swap, I'll confirm, and that will be. All right, so if you find this content very helpful and useful, now to support my work, kindly subscribe to this channel, share, like, and share with your community. There's a video here that talk about that predicted the three project on Tonchain to reach $10 billion market cap. Kindly check it and you find it very helpful.